Bipin Sharma wanted to make a point.
See, first of all, Delhi is a melting pot of all cultures. And our former Prime Minister, whom the entire country has enormous respect, Dr. Manmohan Singh, he made an epic statement. He said, compulsion of coalition, Gadbandhan ki majburiyan. So now it seems that we are living in this era of Sahuliyat ki Rajniti, marriage of convenience. Because when it came to Punjab, then Aam Aadmi Party contested the elections on their own, solo. It went solo, ekla chalo. And then Haryana again. And Delhi, they had this 4-3 seat sharing formula. But then the moot point here is, how long will this alliance work? Because one school of thought says, and this I'm saying with utmost conviction, that it seems that the central leadership of Congress wants to keep the NDA, the BJP especially, and Narendra Modi on tenterhooks. That is why they want to keep their India alliance intact, and they want to keep their alliance, their bonding with Aam Aadmi Party rock solid, because they foresee this prospect of, because they keep saying that the government is on crutches.
Okay, but Bipin Sharma, did it make sense for the Aam Aadmi Party before the elections to come and say that actually it's the BJP which is in cahoots with some of the Congress leaders in Delhi? Did it make any sense?
It's actually become a sort of a fashion, because you start terming or you start referring to a particular party as Team A, Team B. So I think people can see through the entire plot, whichever party indulges in such kind of rhetoric. But then the important issues are sidelined. I think that is a real cause of concern, because if Delhi, if Delhi cannot transform into a world-class city, because they showed us so many dreams. They said we'll transform Delhi into a Jheelon ka Sheher, Singapore, Paris, London. But then what is happening? Delhiites are witness to endless slugfest, and this slugfest ceases to go. So I think that sends a very wrong signal.
So what are the slugfest?
Okay.
So slugfest between Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP. That is what I'm referring to.
For the past 5 years.
Prime
For the past 5 years.
Prime
For the past 5
Minister is
years,
the
and even the
responsible
Congress,